In this video, I will show you how to go live on Facebook page. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Facebook account. Open up your Facebook app. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your page profile icon. Then scroll down right here on your page. Then go ahead and click on live. So here you go. Next thing you want to do right here is to adjust the camera. So you can decide to switch to front camera. For that, go ahead and click on rotate. This will automatically switch your camera. Then your face is going to appear just like what you see right here. Now for you to go to live stream, what you need to do is simply click on go live right here. At the count of 3, 2, 1, just like what you see